up in this motherfucker for another freestyle session. Once again, like I said, nigga came from nothing, so nigga, if I get rich, all my niggas gonna be rich, but you ain't gonna know we rich. Oh man, nigga came from nothing. Now everybody eating.
Oh man, now we eating, nigga, give us a plate.
I need to turn my hat to the front, so these bitch niggas can see what I look like. If I fuck your bitch, the lights is out so she can see what I look like. Okay. Nigga, I don't talk too much. Yeah, you know my niggas move in silence, nigga. And you know if you trip with us, then it's probably about to be a riot. When my niggas walk up in the building, everybody get excited, nigga. We smoking on this weed, probably more gas in this bitch than a motherfucking propeller, nigga. And I'm propel. I used to drink on the propel, now I'm sipping on some liquor. And my bitch hella bad getting thicker. Goddamn, I think I've been beating it up too much, nigga. I think I've been eating it up too much, niggas. I'm killing these beats and I'm eating it up like some lunch meat. Nigga, let me stop doing this shit to the beat. They probably gon' see this and be like, he sick. Yeah, I am sick. That's probably just cause all this weed that I'm helling is making me sick.
Hey, my niggas move 6 deep.
Yep.
Fuck with me, you gon' catch some real heat with a real team. My niggas got real teams, nigga like the Lakers. Fuck with my niggas, all my niggas going in. Nigga, we ain't no fakers.
No.
My niggas ballin' like a fucking ball pit. My niggas latch on niggas, call us a fucking blue pits. We do this like Nike. Nigga, just look at us and you fuck with my niggas, that'll be the death of us.
Why these niggas be talking so much? They ain't even saying true shit. All my niggas live what we saying, nigga, this is true shit. I really don't need to be telling you my business, cause niggas already be in the nigga business, yeah. If you look in the back of my window, that 60 they taxing, yo bitch got a fat ass, I might have to smash her and take her.
Oh, man.
After I smash her, I pass her, so nigga, that's like an assist. Yeah, my niggas know I'm known for assist. Pass the bitch, then I will hit the shot, nigga. Soon as the motherfucking clock finna stop, nigga, I drop it like Ray Allen, nigga, I done won that shit. Where's my ring? I ride around the city, I don't got on no blink, but I'm riding one deep. Niggas, I seen them riding, they was probably like 6'4" deep with probably 6 heat. Nigga, I don't give a fuck, you probably still can't touch me, nigga, try to rough. Nigga, that's okay.
Hey. She be kissing on my tattoos.
Yeah.
Nigga, I got like 80 tattoos. Nigga, I'm hella tatted like Wiz Khalifa. Nigga, fuck your bitch and we ain't never meet. Nigga, I be in this bitch, giving the hoes the motherfucking meat like a can. Working at McDonald's. Nigga, I'm working at McDonald's. Nigga got hella O's. Nigga, like I'm running through the shit like Sonic. Nigga going faster than the nigga Sonic. And the nigga ironic. And the nigga got the chronic. And the nigga tryna smoke. And the nigga going hella fast. Nigga tryna smoke.